how to register or how to get a Starbucks card in Philippines. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can purchase a Starbucks card now on the Philippines. Now you can easily activate a Starbucks card at any Starbucks store in the Philippines with an initial minimum load of just PHP 300, that is Philippines 300. So the amount will be loaded into your Starbucks card which you can use to make purchase right away. Now there is no card setup or usage fees as well, so this is what you'll have to know. All they have to do is you can activate it, or you can head into Starbucks any store there and you can get the card. You can activate it any store once you load it with the initial minimum of just 300 currency there, and the amount will be loaded into your Starbucks card, which you can use to make purchase right away then and there. And there is no any card setup or usage fees. That is what you'll have to understand. So this way you can register Starbucks card in Philippines. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.